trapped within walls, disconnected. Away from the sun, life took its toll. Away from the fruits of a wandering soul. Time has come to go back to the truth. Back to the place. Back to your roots. For you, 1,000 miles awaits. For 1,000 dreams to be made. Let go the practice of being told. Let go the life of being controlled. Go out and explore, for a ride is a must. And tell the tale of a wanderlust.